What's up, YouTube family? It's been a hot minute. It's been a hot minute indeed. Been very, very busy with work, so thankfully on the work side of things, the geothermal work, we're kicking ass there. Which is what leads us to today's nonsense. And that is, we're gonna do some fabrication. We have some cute 3-foot side boxes for our girl Leah here, which if you guys don't know, she's our plow truck. She's got an interesting headache rack toolbox setup on her. And she's a short bed, so these right here will actually work out perfect. I took measurements on these before I purchased them, which works out. You should measure 1,000 times and hopefully still cut once. But what we're gonna do this evening, actually, because it's nighttime out, I have some, if I don't slip and die, I got some angle iron here that we're gonna cut up for some bed supports on the, or you know, for box supports, because the dude that I got these from made some dad cheese. These are kind of janky there, bro, so we will not be using those. You know, killer effort, but gonna make a hard pass on that. And we're going to build our own. There's something really satisfying that comes with, you know, doing things yourself. And I got to stop rambling so that way I can turn the heat back on because it's kind of chilly out. But I just, you know, I enjoy making shit myself. So I'm going to throw you on a time lapse real quick and then we're going to talk about what it is that I'm building. So we'll catch up with you then. Alright, so here's what I got. I didn't really mean for that to crack, but the plan for this was, I have my 4 uprights cut. This is 1.5 inches wide right here, so this is 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches angle iron. And all I wanted to do is just gusset this out, you know, drill my hole to mount it. So this is going to be on the bed floor, and then this right here is going to mount on the corner of the box right there. And then I was just going to throw a couple tacks in here. Bam, hole's good to go. Bam, hole's good to go. But I guess not as easy as I had hoped. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to knock the rest of these out, lay some tack welds in, and we'll see where we land from there. I'm not a professional by any means. I never claimed to be. I'm just a guy that makes shit happen. Alright, big jump later because I am a terrible YouTuber. And yeah, I forgot to do some more B-roll. But we got the boxes mounted. The mounts are a little jankier than I'd like them to be. As far as looks, I mean, I sat on those boxes no problems. I wiggled around. They ain't moving. The bitches ain't going nowhere. And then for those of you that are gonna freak out about that gap right there, the bed's dented, so shut up, it's fine. But anyway, as you guys can see, I've got a lot of stuff here that I gotta disperse. These boxes, they're only 3 feet, but if you guys remember, limited bed space. So I think what's gonna happen is that this right here it's going to kind of expedite the future that I have with Leah. For some of you that don't know, the truck is totaled. You can really see it right. Let me zoom in for you. You see how that's pushed in where the fender and the door meet? Well, that's the best way to see it. This cab's totaled, and you can see it right there, man. That door doesn't sit right all the way. This one doesn't sit right all the way, but it doesn't sit right here. This is the gap that I hear, and the amount of road noise that this thing has, and for the amount of traveling that I'm doing with it, and the goal is I'd like to get a fuel box back in this thing, in the side boxes and all that. I need an 8-foot bed again. So and again, if you guys remember way back, my plan with this truck, because I had an OBS dually at the time, the cab on this thing is totaled. Okay, that's why I haven't done rockers or anything on it. That's why I put a used bed on it, which looks really good compared to what the old one looked like. So I think we're going to try to find ourselves a 4-door long bed chassis and a cab, and then move everything over from there, because like I said, the amount of traveling that I'm doing with this truck, the wind noise is unreal. You guys, this thing is, it's a really good truck, but limited on space. Need more space. Plus, this effing thing right here done spoiled me. I got used to that 6 gear, which I plan on doing the 6-speed conversion on this thing anyway. But yeah. So anyway, back on point. Got the boxes mounted. Very happy about that. And in some shots you'll notice that they're tapered, or they'll look like they're crooked. That's because the body line crowns on the back of these, so I wanted to follow that as best as possible. But yeah, not bad for $100. But anyway, probably a shorter video, and I kind of blew it on that one, so I don't know if I made it better or worse. But I wanted to do this before it gets completely dark, because it's only 4 o'clock and it's getting dark by the time I get this thing packed out. Yeah, so I might catch up with you. Yeah, I'll try to catch up with you guys afterwards. Yeah, boys, we got her. Got our DeWalt tools in here, plow bag, electrical stuff, my main carry-on, tools and shit for if stuff breaks down. Got our towing equipment and all that over there. I was able to consolidate. And we got some more tools, PEX expander, torch, all of our stuff there. Everything fits friggin' nicely. Hi, thanks for your help. Because, you know, your boy is kind of Fruity Loops like that. He likes to be organized. Hey, honey, I can't tell if your grill is running or if my truck is running. LB7 props, but really that hurts my heart. Fuck you. Anyway, but that's what I got for you guys. So, that's it. Anyway, take care. God bless. Be good to one another. We will see you guys on the next one. Any words of advice? Nope. See you.